What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel, the Meshedi family. I'm Anta.
And I'm Mom and Nurse Eminem.
And look at this fun toy, guys.
So, a couple of days ago, it was my birthday. So, our cousins gave it to us. So, thank you, Khadija and Muhammad.
Thank you, Khadija and Muhammad Amin. So we're going to be playing with this fun toy and we'll show you how we're going to play. So first, my brother's going to be the first person to push this because he really wants to. And then when it flies up, I'm going to try to catch this rocket.
Okay.
So, ready? Jump on 3, 2, 1. Okay, I think you should try one more time.
Yeah. Ready?
You do it one more time. Really hard. I did not catch it. You want me to go next? Okay. Okay. Huh? Your turn?
Yeah.
Should I try? Yeah, okay. Do it very hard. Okay, ready? Set. Oh, Jack, catch it! Go back and try it. You want to jump on it now? Ready? Ready? Set. We're all missing everything.
Yeah.
Ready? Oh, you're gonna do it. Okay. And whoever loses will have to do 50 push-ups non-stop.
No.
What? Then what? What should our punishment be, guys?
10 push-ups.
Okay. Just 10. Okay. Ready? Set. Oh.
I almost got it, guys.
Let's try it again. Okay. Do you want to do it? Ready? Ready? Steady? Go! Ah! Wait, what? Okay, guys, so you see that airplane right there? This is not a real airplane. This is my dad's airplane. We got him for his birthday. This is such a cool airplane. Okay. I go? Yeah. Okay. So, my dad is very good at doing like airplanes. Okay. Almost got it. Okay. Now I'm the one who's gonna try to do it. Okay. I'm gonna try to catch it with these in my hand. So I'm gonna just ready? Go. I was so close, guys. Well, guys, I hope you really love this toy, and I think it was a really good toy. So, see you at the next shop. Woo, woo. Between Appa Baba. Go. Catch it, 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 catch it. Ah! Look at the weather outside. Look how cool it looks. It's raining. Look how how pretty it is. So pretty, right? So pretty! Look at the rain over there. Like you see how the clouds, it looks like it's going down. That's
Hey Sean,